Hey, Buy Smarters! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS430, or, as I like to call it, the Pocket Rocket. And on the right, we have the 4DRCV4 mini foldable drone, aka the Sky Ninja. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's start with the all-important price. The Pocket Rocket, Holy Stone HS430, will set you back $77. Meanwhile, the Sky Ninja 4DRCV4 is priced at $89. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the Pocket Rocket might be your new best friend. But hey, who needs to eat this month anyway, right? Next up, camera quality. Both drones offer a 1080p camera, but the Sky Ninja takes it up a notch with a 90 degrees electric adjustable camera. That means you can capture your neighbor's cat from any angle. The Pocket Rocket has a good quality camera too, but it's like comparing a selfie taken by your mom to one taken by a professional photographer. You get the idea. Reviewers say the Pocket Rocket's camera is decent, but struggles with different lighting conditions, while the Sky Ninja's camera is good for close range, but struggles at higher altitudes. Now, let's talk about flight time. The Pocket Rocket boasts nearly 30 minutes with its two modular LiPo batteries. On the other hand, the Sky Ninja offers 26 minutes. So you get an extra 4 minutes with the Pocket Rocket. That's enough time to make a sandwich. Or, more realistically, enough time to crash into one more tree. Reviewers appreciate the extended battery life of the Pocket Rocket, while some found the Sky Ninja's battery life to be a potential downside. Both drones are super portable, but let's break it down. The Pocket Rocket is so compact it could probably fit in your back pocket. The Sky Ninja also folds up nicely and comes with its own carrying case. So whether you're hiking in the mountains or sneaking it into your office for a quick lunchtime flight, both drones have you covered. Reviewers love the portability of both drones, noting that they are easy to carry and set up. Let's get to the fun stuff. Features. The Pocket Rocket is packed with fun functions, like high-speed rotation, circle fly, and even voice control. You can literally tell it to take off, and it will. The Sky Ninja, however, has a few tricks up its sleeve too, including 3D flips, auto-follow, and VR mode. It's like comparing a circus to a magic show. Both are fun, but in different ways. Reviewers highlight the Pocket Rocket's fun features, but also love the Sky Ninja's advanced functionalities, like auto-follow and VR mode. Now, how about beginner-friendly features? The Pocket Rocket is equipped with headless mode, emergency stop, and a 3-speed switch to make your first flights as smooth as butter. The Sky Ninja counters with its own headless mode, 1-key takeoff, landing, and 3-speed adjustments. So if you're a newbie, both drones will treat you like royalty. Just make sure you don't fly them into the neighbor's pool. Reviewers agree that both drones are great for beginners, though some found the Sky Ninja a bit challenging to steer indoors. Summarizing the reviews, the Holy Stone HS430 is praised for its ease of use, decent camera quality, and extended battery life, making it a great value for beginners. On the other hand, the 4DRCV4 mini foldable drone is appreciated for its advanced features and versatility, though some users experienced issues with durability and battery life. All right, folks, time to wrap it up. Both the Holy Stone HS430 Pocket Rocket and the 4DRCV4 Sky Ninja are fantastic choices. If you're on a budget and want a bit more flight time, go for the Pocket Rocket. If you're willing to spend a few extra dollars for some cool camera angles and additional features, then the Sky Ninja is your go-to. Either way, you're in for a whole lot of fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and remember, buy smart.